Let's go!
You got the power turned on? Yes.
Ah!
Power turned on. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, so dude, yeah, your leg on the right side, Mel, you can probably see it from there. How this side's a little shorter.
Is that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See that? So, let's see what we can do here. We're gonna check that motion. More restricted on the right side for sure. But we're gonna get both those sides moving better. Stiffness in the little back. We'll see what's going on there. Yeah, right side for sure though. Alright, so drops underneath of you, they're gonna pop up here in just a second. They'll drop down just like that with the adjustment. Table positioning good there?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Nice. Good. Yeah, check it out. So not perfect, but look how much better that is just already. You see that?
Yeah, that's crazy.
I feel something in my right side too.
Do it? Yeah. Sometimes people describe it as like a warm sensation. We're waking up that area.
Yeah, it just feels like it's stretched out a little more.
Yeah, and feel it more maybe too. A lot of people see sensations coming back. Check the sacrum with you. Keeping this leg all the way straight. Raise it as high as you can to the ceiling. Good. Very nice. You can relax it down. Try the same on the other
motion
side.
right there.
Good.
Yeah.
Either one of those harder, they feel the same.
The right side felt a little stiffer.
Interesting. Let's see. Let's try them both one more time. Try the rest of it one more time. Good.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Left side. Good. They feel about the same there?
Yeah, that was about the same.
Yeah, we'll take that now. The motion's already better on the right side. I like that. We're gonna do one more on the left here. Good. Alright, that's nearly perfect. I like that. We're going to do a light adjustment right here. Let's do a nice deep breath in. Good. All the way out. Nice. Got a little bit there. We're going to do one more deep breath right in this spot. All the way out. Good. Nice. Oh yeah, that is really perfect.
Hey, that's the joint right there.
Yeah, it
That
is.
one right there.
Hell yeah.
Bro, make sure you get like 30 seconds of me on this table, bro.
Huh?
Make sure you get like 30 seconds of me on this table.
Like a video?
Yeah, for the vlog. Oh, damn, Palmer said he's gonna send it to me.
It was probably easier. Same type of camera.
Alright, Chris looking great. Check. Get that seated. Okay.
You
Alright,
think
dude.
wearing chains has anything?
Alright, dude, you can lift the head up just a little bit here. Right there. Relax the head all the way down. Good. Alright, strap okay behind the head right there. Not pinching the earrings. Cool. Alright, how's this tension feeling so far? Feel a good stretch in the neck? Good. You know, if anything changes, we're gonna do about 4 or 5 rounds. Alright, we're gonna go right arm, left shoulder, left arm, right shoulder. Tuck the chin down. Deep breath in. As I roll you back, let it all the way up. Good. Nice. Good. Alright, come on. So 2, we're gonna get moving 2 and 3. That's it.
Alright, so Palmer, I got in an accident like 3 years ago.
Okay.
I crashed my dad's car, and I never went to like any therapy or anything.
Okay.
So sometimes when you just said something about you felt something up there, that could be it.
How did you hit something, get hit from behind? What happened?
I hit the wall.
Hit the wall?
Yeah, I hit the, like, that way, rolled into the wall.
So you probably, did you feel like you had some whiplash?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah, and so that, again, yeah, that's one of those macro traumas that the body just had to compensate around over all the years for you to not feel pain. Pain is the last symptom to show up when something's going on. That just means that something's been going on there for a while. So, yeah, we're going to see this in just a second and see if that motion increases. Very subtle, it may not even feel like much, but I'm going to really
No,
see.
my head feels light already.
Does it? Yeah.
Yes. Remember we were just talking about that 20 pounds bowling ball.
Yep. That's better. It's moving a little bit better. That's what I like to see. So again, I like these subtle movements, whereas like maybe if you do the neck twisting cracking move, you can get like a lot of movement there and it might feel a lot looser, but if you do too much, the muscles might tighten up because they're in such a new position. It was almost like maybe too extreme. And so I think that subtle kind of light specific, this is what has worked for me better. And it's how I would want to be adjusted too.
Bro, this feels so amazing.
Right.
Oh, sleep's so amazing tonight.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
I mean, you can stand up, walk around, let me know how you're feeling there. Might feel a little different walking too, because we got some things balanced out there. But even like you were saying, being more aware of how you're stepping and walking and stuff, this should help a lot actually too with that, since we got that kind of moving, more balanced out there and
I
everything.
feel balanced. I'm not like exaggerating or nothing, but when I stand up, I don't have to. Usually when I stand up and like I have to like rock, bro, I don't even feel like I need to rock. I feel like
You rock solid.
I'm solid to the earth right now.
Nice.
I feel really great, Palmer.
Good.
Yo.
Very good.
Let's go!
You got the power
Can I
turned
scream
on.
in here?
Yes.
Ah!
Power turned on.
Let's go.
That was
Hey,
fire.
that feels great.
Yes, sir.